sister's house. But I got a fidget pet on Amazon. So, package. So, I'm gonna open it. I know I got poppets.
Did you get poppets?
Yeah, but not gonna give something new.
I know.
I'll give you a Rubik's Cube.
Oh, I like Rubik's cubes.
I got a pea popper.
You only have two, right?
No, the other one I broke. We got like this other poppet. We got a bike. We got another. Okay, so we got a pea popper, this, and a bike chain. I always wanted one.
Wait, wait. Alex.
We got the monkey noodles.
Alex.
I'm Alexa stupid.
Oh,
So here, you got two.
it feels so weird.
Then we got this.
Oh, wait, let me see.
Which one do you want? Because I don't want one.
I guess I'll get this one.
We got a marble man.
Can I feel it? I played with this at school, but I don't know. Wait, I can keep one and you can keep that one.
No.
Uh-huh.
And stone.
I want to see.
Yeah.
It's
I can.
And then we got the wacky train.
Can we see the poppet?
Yeah. The wacky train.
I can't get it. Oh, they said there's like America attached to this.
Oh yeah, they have squishy.
Yeah,
And then
it
we
was-
have this.
No, dude.
Oh yeah.
Whenever
Can I play with the poppet?
whenever I call
Yeah.
to
Oh,
get it
easy.
fixed, and I
If
went
I
back to
had
the
eyes,
office, they
we
told
could
me
just
that
see,
the pendejo was no longer there. And I said, well, where did he go? He goes, well, he's running a project in Round Rock.
You can do this.
He goes, what's going on? So I told the new guy what was going on. And he goes, yeah,
We
we're
got a
going to get it
donut
fixed.
squishy.
And then he got my address and
Hey, you
blah,
want the
blah.
wrapper?
Asked me to send him pictures. I sent him
I wanna keep
pictures
the
to his
wrapper.
cell phone.
It smells good.
Then nothing happened. Then I went back to the
Because of the
office
Rhinetour review squishy.
just to learn that motherfucker had also been sent out. Didn't have anybody anymore.
We got a football.
Oh, no, I got fucked over. Yeah, for sure.
This. No,
Why
this
did we
is
stop?
a poppet. Why is it here?
Oh, Poppy forgot something.
But even then, they half-assed the claim though.
How the heck do you
I'm
open
telling you
it?
that at my
How do you?
at my
I can help.
at my house, instead of fixing the corner with
And we got
compost or
the
drywall, this
American
idiot put
poppet.
fucking
The
silicone.
sun.
Tried to paint over it. Well, silicone is fucking oil-based, dumbass. Of course, the paint ain't gonna stick. Yeah. No, but not even caulk. It was just silicone. Like I saw the man and I told him, I said, hey man, that shit doesn't work. He goes, oh, we'll try it here shortly. We're gonna try to paint it. And he did try to paint it.
These monkey noodles feel so weird, right?
They feel soft.
But and weird.
Stop.
I want to play.
No, this ain't yours. You have other pictures for it. You have the Rubik's Cube.
Hey, you messed up.
I messed it up.
Yeah, I kicked in. I worked so hard. Oh, I fixed it.
Not me trying to open this.
Now we can flex on Sophia.
I know, right? 'Cause she kept flexing on us. And guess what? I got 4 poppets. Matt, wait. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I got 4 poppets.
Yeah, plus the
Pineapple.
Yeah, like, who do you report to? Can I talk to your boss right now before you leave?
Yeah,
Pero
but
ya ves,
he
a
doesn't
mí me
poppet.
dijo, güey, because he came right around lunch. He came probably around 10:30. He'd fix a few things. Wait, no mames, when they put my washer and
I
dryer,
can see the stuff out in America.
they basically put a nail through the water coming out of the washer. So the closed it on my daughter.
That's so
She
dumb.
started having like allergies and shit. We couldn't figure out what it was because we had boxes in there. And the doctor said, no, your daughter, you have mold inside your house, like somewhere. What? No, it's a brand new house. And then so I went through the thing, sure thing, man. Half of the fucking closet had mold. And then they came in, they changed the daughter's side, but they never fixed the mold only came through the other side, but they never changed the sheetrock
My friend at school has
the laundry room. And these fuckers didn't even change the baseboard. You know, it's not wood baseboard. It's fucking pressure. Not even, what is it? The fake compressed wood. Sí, sí, como cartón esa madre. Güey, se engorda así, va la verga, se inflamó. No mames, again, Kenny, the whole experience was complete dog shit. Right. And again, oh, dude, I had a realtor, a friend of mine. She ran an appraisal. She said I could put it in the market for $220. Yeah, I owe $130.
I think one of the pieces. Oh.
Yeah, and I owe my house $130. Maybe $180.
I can help you connect it.
$160.
Because my friends have one of these at school and we have to sit here.
Oh yeah, dude, totally.
The America looks so cool. Wait, can I say we're lucky? You know why? Sometimes you can share your fidget with me, right?
Yeah.
I'm so happy
Güey,
to
mi
see that you
hermano
now have a whole
compró
pack
su
of
casa.
fidgets. You should never trade that. Can I play with them? Can I just...
Great two-story house. I think it's like almost 2,100 square feet. 2 stories. Beautiful house. Beautiful house.
Oh, shoot.
Wait, that's how much my house was worth back then. Like $210.
It feels so weird.
And my brother's like, dude, it's crazy. Like, my house is way better than yours. I get that.
Like my ribbon's cute.
You're buying location here.
Oh, Casey, we could share with Amy.
Yeah. Wait, Papi, is Amy gonna be there?
Papi.
Oh, here's a soft sign.
Oh, really?
Say it again?
Is Amy gonna be there?
Exactly.
Oh, never mind. I was gonna say, can I play with one of your other poppers?
Dude, I'll be honest with you, man. I'm happy where I'm at. I think that this MDP stuff,
wait,
black
this
shit
is
stuff, I was
kind of
talking to JR.
soft, like this?
Because I think that there's
It
an opening in
feels
San
so
Antonio
weird
for
when you
ARSM,
get-
and
when
he
you
was
touch
asking me,
it.
hey, you know, if Jesse asked me if I have anything in here, I said, I'm going to put your name out there. No. I was like, all right, cool. I mean, even from Cal to San Antonio, I can still commute. I don't need to sell my house. You know, but if I go and I start moving to a different state, and that's a different story. I may just rent it. A friend of mine, she's a realtor, and she was telling me that there's a company that you pay like,
Okay, yeah, you're not gonna.
I think she said $210 a month, and they'll manage it for you. Something like that. So I'm like, whatever, I'll just do that.
Wait, Casey, you're gonna actually trade someone for this for simple dimple.
Right. So,
You have like simple dimples?
I have
Krabby?
Mr. Crab.
Oh, that would be so cool if you can pop the eyes.
exactly.
And where's that too?
So when are you
Right
moving?
here.
When are you moving? Yeah.
It's supposed to be right here.
Okay, Mr.
Give me the glove.
Oh,
The glove, the little thing, the earth looking thing, the round thing. Voy a ver si me salgo temprano, güey, para ver si te ayudo entonces.
I got that. You
Yo,
didn't have
no, pues no. Dude, I've been working like crazy, man. And I'll be honest with you, man, my wife was mad at me the other day because I was working so hard, long hours. I feel that I'm just kind of, I feel that I'm doing time with JR. I'm taking like shit out of his plate. Right. Like,